thanks the global antimicrobial resistance policy accelerators and the national core team for organizing this timely workshop.
The overall objective of this workshop is to prioritize in our national action plan. So there are a number of gaps identified, but with the available resources, be it financial or human, we have to be conscious in prioritizing our activities.
When we go to health facilities in the lower communities and veterinary clinics and others institutions, essential antimicrobials and diagnostic supplies for AMR surveillance are very difficult. Even the quality of their materials and medicines are very minimal, so it affects our implementation just to proceed our efforts for the prevention containment of antimicrobial resistance.
The smart choice process is important for the Ethiopian government to develop the One Health antimicrobial resistance strategic plan development.
Agriculture sector, especially animal health sector, is one of the leading sectors in regard to AMR. So, as Minister of Agriculture, AMR prevention and mitigation strategy is one of the focus area, and among this, mass community campaign, awareness campaign is our focus area, and of course with strengthening surveillance for better evidence generations, for a better decision making.